Howdy. In this video, I'm going to show how to set up a VA with their own Dolphin Anty login credentials. Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com and the Empire Forums, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely, hence different hotel rooms and pets and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video. The purpose of this is so that you can hire a VA or hire a team member and give them their own Dolphin Anty login credentials so that they can download Dolphin Anty to their own respective computer and log in with their own respective login credentials. Because if you give them your username and password, they're going to log in and they're going to see everything that you see. You don't want to give them access to all the models and everything behind the scenes because you never know. They can start locking you out. They can start doing all these things, stealing the proxies, whatever. Stealing the proxies doesn't make sense. Anyway, they can just do whatever. You don't want to, I'm kind of stating the obvious here. So you want to give them their own login credentials. Now you can do this within the Dolphin Anty browser itself. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a VA's login credentials and give them access to one or more of the browsers that you have. These are the browsers I've created in the past. I use this account solely for YouTube demos. So in the YouTube demos, I just added model name. This is kind of like a placeholder for model. So you'll assume that this OnlyFans is for model name. Let's call her Lisa. This Instagram's for Lisa, and then one of these Reddit's for Lisa. So let's say we want to set up a VA with their own login credentials, and we want to give them access to all of Lisa's stuff. So when they log in, you want them to be able to chat on the OnlyFans account, schedule content for Lisa's Instagram, schedule content for Lisa's Reddit account. So first thing you'll do is you'll create a user. Now you'll go here, you'll click on users in the left pane here. Then you go plus. Display name, call it whatever you want. You'd probably want to use the VA's first name /VA /whatever, right? Use the email they want you to use so that they remember it, because you want them to remember their login credentials. So we'll say, I don't know, testy@gmail.com. Password, use a password that the VA wants to use, one that they'll remember. Don't go using your secret password that you use for everything. That is a totally bad idea. So for this, we'll go testy. Role. The bottom two, either or, just don't select admin because that will give them admin rights, which means they can start locking you out, as I said earlier. So don't give them admin rights. Team leader or user, doesn't really matter. When you start hiring VAs at scale, then you'll probably want a team leader and users, etc. But when you're just starting out, look, either one, just not admin. So we'll go user. Then you'll go create. Now, once you've created the account, their account will pop up here. So that is a user, VA McTesty. Now let's go give them access to the browsers you want them to access. No, that was proxies. So you'll go back to the browser section. And then remember what I said earlier, this is Lisa's OnlyFans, Lisa's Instagram, Lisa's Reddit. Now you go click on all three of them right here. Then you go down the bottom to transfer. And then you'll click on VA McTesty. And you go share. This will allow them to download Dolphin Anty onto their device, their computer, and log in using those credentials that you just created then. And when they log in, they will see these three browser profiles here. All right, so we've just gone ahead and logged in using the credentials that I used earlier. We've logged into VA McTesty, and as you can see, as soon as they log in using their credentials, they're greeted with this, the three browsers that you gave them access to. And that's it. Download Dolphin Anty below. If you use the link, you'll get 20% off using our discount code. So just heads up, if you're creating login credentials for a team member, it will require paid subscription. So the link below will give you 20% off that. And that's it. If you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.